You have torii gates here. I got the amadai, which is like red snapper. Oh my god, you're so excited! What a beautiful day. Oh, it's pretty nice. I love custard pudding. That is amazing. It's pretty impressive. Big thanks to Boxu for sponsoring today's video. More on them later. Okay, so we're on the road again. And I do see another bridge there, and I believe that is going to be another checkpoint. Here we are at the next place. There's another bridge here, and this one I believe is for pedestrians. Check it out. I was looking at the river. It's very clear. So clear. It's incredibly clear. Wow. I can see the what do you call it? The bottom of the river.
The best water quality in Japan.
Seriously? Best water quality in Japan. Wow. I'm not surprised. It's so clear. We're here at this cafe called Lien, and I got myself something refreshing to drink. It's ume scashu, made with ume juice. That's a ume right there. And I guess I kind of break it and mix it in with the carbonated water. I think this is soda water. Oh, that's nice. It's actually like it's just the right amount of sweetness, and oh, I love that ume flavor. It's not very sour, it's more sweet. It actually tastes like a little bit like a refreshing plum juice.
Mine is pudding and fruit.
Pudding and fruit.
Fruit and fruit. I love custard pudding.
Is it good?
Oishi.
Really? Is it rich?
It's, what should I say? It's best mix.
Really?
Best mix.
Best mix. Okay, I'll take a bite later.
So egg flavor is nice, and this custard, no custard, caramel flavor combined nicely. Sweetness level is just right.
It's actually lighter than I thought. Okay, whipped cream. Oh, it's perfect with the whipped cream.
So Satoshi allowed Shinichi to eat persimmon.
Arigato. Well, I do like persimmon more than you do. Oh my god, the first persimmon of the year. It's still a little early. The flavor is not yet spot on, but it's still delicious. So many different things come with this chestnut. Very autumny. Is it good?
Very seasonal.
Very seasonal, yeah. Actually, that wasn't a peach, it was an apple that you have, like a poached apple. Shimane grape. Ooh, look at that.
It's a jewelry.
Good? Okay, right next to the cafe is this bridge. We're gonna walk across it. This is the Yasutomi Bridge, one of our check-in points. And only pedestrians, bicycles, and motorcycles are allowed to use this bridge. No cars. Oh my god, you're so excited! You're so excited! You're so excited! 全然進まない。なんでだろう、なんだろうね、進まないね、進まないね、進まないね。Oh, oh, there's someone fishing in there. Look, there's someone fishing in the water. Kimochi.
I feel I'm in Yamagata.
Really?
My hometown is like this.
Really? Do they have this beautiful bridge? I wonder why they made such a beautiful bridge here. I mean, that's a weird question, but it's such a beautiful bridge they made just for pedestrians. That was the cafe we just came from. It's right over there. The building with the the red, the blue roof. I think that's the cafe. Looking this side, you see like a little hill there, mountains in the background. どうした？何？え？嘘。Oh, be careful! There's a bumblebee. We're running away from the bumblebee. Beautiful bridge. Beautiful river. Look at that water. Oh wow. There's another bumblebee. Oh no, there's a bumblebee. No. Okay, let's keep going. Why are they buzzing around here? Why are they here? There are no flowers. Beautiful. I feel so good. Oh, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful place. So happy that we came on this trip. Can you explain to everybody where we are exactly? I have a hard time.
This
Because,
place,
yeah.
This place is Masuda city.
Mm-hmm.
Masuda city is located west side of Shimane Prefecture. Shimane Prefecture is located west part of Japan. It's north of Hiroshima Prefecture. So maybe it takes about 2.5 hours from Hiroshima city to here. And from Tokyo, the flight time was 1 hour and 30 seconds.
1 hour and 30 seconds?
No, 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30
1分じゃん。1分30秒。すごい。Okay.
So, this place, I don't know so detail. The population is maybe 40,000 or 50,000. I think. I will check later.
Right. Now there are many things to see here, right? I mean, in the area.
And this place, many people come here to visit the place Hagi and Tsuwano. This Hagi and Tsuwano is a very popular tourist destination. This is the hub of those city.
I see.
I think there are many nice places to see, even in this city,
right?
Masuda city.
Do you think a car is necessary?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think car is necessary.
I think so. I mean, I think you can get around with a bus, but
San-in area, Shimane and Tottori Prefecture is called the San-in area. San-in area, the public transportation is not so convenient. So I strongly recommend you to rent a car.
If you want to take a bus, you can. It's just that you have to really schedule your trip. So it is possible to travel around without a car.
And from here to Izumo City, there is a limited express train by JR.
Okay, so what if I want to go from here to Tottori?
Tottori by JR.
By JR, so there is a train. So I can get around without a car. Look how blue the water is. This is a river, guys. It's so blue. That's a close-up of the water. Look how blue it is. We're crossing over because we found something really interesting.
You guys know that we are fans of, you know, vending machines, like food vending machines especially, because they're becoming very rare. In Tokyo, you hardly see them. But I think we found one with a whole bunch of vending machines. That's the cafe, Cafe Lien, that we were in just now. Whole bunch of kids on bicycles behind me. So here we are. This is called Oasis. It's a vending machine oasis. Oh, look at this. Look at this. These are all vending machines. Let's check it out. Here you have your regular drink machines. Oh, look, you have places to eat here. You can eat something there. Snacks. Okay. Snacks. More snacks on this side. Okay. Chips. Very reasonably priced, I have to say.
That's right.
Yeah. Little.
These pachinko machine.
Okay, this is the old-fashioned pachinko.
Pachinko machine. Yeah, when I was child.
Happy Strike.
There are many these children's pachinko machine.
Oh, I see. This is for children?
Oh, I think so.
Really? Okay. So, let's see. Here's a coffee, hot coffee. Nothing here. What's this here? Oh, I see the noodle machines here. Yeah. So this is the udon and soba vending machine for niku soba. They have niku soba and niku udon. It's not tempura, it's niku, it's beef.
And I found very interesting one. I've never seen this type.
What? They have
Rice
like
ball,
onigiri set. They have omanju and castella. Wow. What's here?
Hamburger.
They have hamburger in here. They have a burger, a drink. They have a sandwich. This one's nothing. This one is gum.
Is this alive?
I don't know. Is it?
I don't know.
Is it working? Hey, there's another one here. This is for ramen. They have ramen here. They have ramen and tempura udon here.
Wow.
Ramen and tempura udon. 350 yen.
Still working.
Still working.
Wow.
Yeah, we don't know how long these will exist. You know, they're so old. They don't make them anymore. Wow, sugoi ne. Wow. You know, for the rice balls here, it says they use special rice.
Using local rice.
Local rice.
Yeah, Shimane rice.
Shimane Prefecture rice. I see. Wow, they even sell garlic. Like garlic.
Black garlic.
Yeah. It's hard to see because the glass is quite dirty, but this is cool. Yeah, this is very cool. A lot of places to sit here and just rest. Like if you're on your motorbike, like this guy, you just stop by here to have a bowl of noodles. This is cool. I wonder what was in here.
Maybe egg.
Maybe eggs. They had eggs in the locker. Yeah?
Eggs.
Interesting. Wow. It's so fun, like finding these things in the middle of nowhere. Vending machines.
I'm gonna buy ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay.
Please guess.
Which one?
I will choose.
Which one you would choose? Okay. The last time you chose this one.
Oh,
Are-
yes, you know.
Are you gonna choose the same one?
No.
No. Okay. Good boy. So I believe you are going to choose gâteau chocolat.
Boo.
No? No? Okay, you're gonna get strawberry.
Boo.
No? Oh, let's see. Really? Okay. Oh, wait. Don't tell me. This one? Waffle cone chocolate? No?
I'm not so simple, man.
You're not so simple, man. Oh, you are going to get soda float.
the second choice.
The second choice. Okay, I have to get it now. You're gonna get colorful jelly?
Yes.
Oh my god, I never thought you would be getting this one. Yay. So this is Grico 17 ice colorful jelly mikan gelato, tangerine gelato. Hey, Hamocha. I got my tea. Satoshi got his ice cream. We're heading to the hotel.
Itadakimasu.
Dozo. Is that sherbet?
Kind of sherbet.
Kind of like a sherbet. Is it good? Does it taste like mikan?
Yes. And texture. They're using jelly.
Jelly, like jelly pieces. Interesting. That was nice. I really enjoyed it. This whole area was pretty chill, really relaxing and beautiful. So we're looking for a hotel now. We're staying at the what? The Daiei Hotel? Daiei Hotel. It should be around here somewhere. Is this it?
I think so.
Looks like a hotel, doesn't it?
Hotel Daiei Masuda.
ここだ。ホテル大英マスダ。着きました。着きました。Here we are. ホテル大英マスダ。どうぞ。何階ですか？3階。302. 302. So this way. Oh, we're at the corner. Oh. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, I like this. I like the room. I like the colors. It's kind of dark, but I like the darkness. Helps me relax at night. I'll look at the view later. Got television. You got like a long desk here. Look, we can edit videos together. Yeah.
Do we?
I don't think so. We got a little refrigerator that we can use. What's all this? Oh, we have to check. Okay, you have coffee. There's no tea. I need tea. I need to buy some tea, Satoshi.
Yes.
There's no
special tea in Shimane.
Really? There's special tea here?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can buy later. And then the bathroom. Yeah, it's your typical unit bathtub, shower, bathtub, sink, toilet, bidet function. Yeah, get everything you need. Get your amenities: shampoo, conditioner, body soap, face, hand soap, towels. Not bad. And they give us 2 bottles of water, right?
Yep.
2 bottles of water. Awesome. They also have these nice pajamas. I like these pajamas. They're not yukata. I don't like the yukata. Then, let's see if we have some kind of view. Oops! Oh, it's coming back down. Ore? How do I open this? Oh, maybe it doesn't open. So
Maybe
that's the view.
because the outside is just the road.
Okay, you can't see anything. Well, maybe that's why it's like this. It happens. I've never been in a hotel like this, although I have been in a hotel where there were no windows in Singapore.
Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you a little bit about our friends at Boxu. You guys already know how excited I get when we get this orange box in the mail. I always look forward to trying out their snacks. I also know that many of you guys are already enjoying the snacks, but for those of you that don't know, Boxu is a subscription service that delivers premium Japanese snacks and tea pairings straight from Japan to your doorstep. Let me tell you, the majority of the snacks are rare and many of them exclusive to Boxu. So many snacks we discover through the Boxu, even if we live here in Japan. Every month they have a theme. This month the theme is Autumn Koyo. Koyo means changing colors of the leaves, which is perfect because right now that's actually happening in Tokyo. You always have a culture guide like this. This tells you everything you need to know, like where your snacks come from, what they are. If you guys are interested in seeing a full, complete review of this month's box, check out our video on our food reviews channel. The link is in the description below this one. This month I had a really hard time choosing my favorites because they were all so good, but my favorites were the Chirancha green tea chocolate crunch. That was incredible. The Mikan mochi, fabulous, also exclusive. And the salted azuki mochi gummy. That was unique and tasty. You know, of course I had some on the review, but I actually ended up eating the whole bag. If you enjoy Japanese snacks and you're looking for some unique ones as well as rare ones, you really have to try out Boxu. Give them a try. Just click on the link in the description below this video. Make sure to use the code to get $15 off your first purchase of Boxu. Trust me, you will love it. Now let's go back to the video.
Okay, so after a 5-minute rest, we're back out again and we're gonna walk towards the station, the train station. This hotel is supposed to be in the middle of the city. I guess it is, but as you can see, there's not much around us. The front desk guy assures us that the station is right over there. We're crossing the train tracks here. Wow.
So this way is the San-in line.
The San-in line.
And this is Yamaguchi line.
Yamaguchi line. I see. Wow, lots of bushes, like lots of green. You don't really see that in Tokyo. Oh, that's the hotel. You can see our hotel from here. This building right here. It's the tallest building around. Satoshi asked the guy what we should eat here, and he suggested that we eat seafood. This place is famous for seafood, so most likely that's what we're going to be having tonight. So once again, guys, this is Masuda city in Shimane Prefecture, and we are here to start on a 10-day journey. 10 days, right? I think 10 days. More than 10 days? Really? Okay, we're going all over the place around the San-in region. And we're actually going to be ending in Kyoto. There's a Lawson here. This is the closest convenience store to our hotel.
That's right.
So we should check this out later. I need to buy some tea for myself. ね、僕はなんかお茶が欲しいんだよね。明日の朝飲むのね。Shimane special? Maybe they might have. This is really exciting because this is only our first day. I'm so happy. You know, I didn't get much sleep last night. I didn't really. And we got up really early. I got up about 4 a.m. today. And actually,
really long.
it was a very long day. A very, very long morning, I must say. But I'm feeling great. I am. So we have arrived, guys. This is the train station, Masuda train station. It was about a 10-minute walk. Ah, here's Moritani food shop. We're looking for this too. This was one of the check-in places, right? Oh, am I wrong? It wasn't this one. I thought it was this one. No? It's a nice shop. It's a really nice shop. Oh, looks like there's some restaurants down this street here as well. That's the train station. That's a hotel there. That's an apartment building and a whole bunch of shops in here as well. right?
Yes.
It's this one, right?
Yes, here.
Yes, I remember the name.
Checking.
Yay! We've arrived at Matsue station. Not that we're gonna actually go on a train or anything. We just wanted to see what the station was. Because the hotel's near the station.
Yes, I like station.
You like stations? So do I. So do I. Let's see what the station looks like. Oh, it's a cute station. There's the ticket booth, the gate. There's a little souvenir shop combined with the 7-Eleven. There's a vending machine here. Oh. It's not bad. It's pretty nice. So, where to now?
Here.
Here?
Here.
Where are we now?
Here.
We're there. Okay, and we're going here.
Here.
Okay. Is that walking distance?
I think so. I think it's about 15, like so.
Alright, 15-20 minutes, not bad. Okay. It's nice to see there are some izakayas, mostly izakayas around the train station. I see 3 in front of us. And there's a gyoza shop as well. Every single place on this 12-day trip, I just confirmed with Satoshi that it's not 10 days, it's actually 12 days. And every single city except for 2 cities are like brand new to us. It's the first time we're going, so this is really exciting. We're gonna go back to Matsue because that is where the chef who cooked for us at the hotel in Daisen has a restaurant, and so we want to visit him there. And we're also staying over one night in Daisen again. So these are the only 2 places that we've been to before. All the rest, all the cities we're visiting this time, and we're pretty much visiting like 1 city per day, 12 days. So looking forward to it. Ever since the pandemic started, we've been traveling a lot more throughout Japan. In the beginning, I would travel alone to different cities I've never been to. So I'm getting an idea of what the countryside looks like in Japan. Although I will say though that every city, even though it's in the country, they do have their own flair, they do have their own character. Because we just arrived here, I don't really know how I would describe this particular town. But let's see if I can sum it up in my own words. I'd say it's peaceful. It's a city with like a commercial center, a very quiet commercial center, not very busy. You have bars like this one. I heard you do have like a bar area. That's a dining bar right here too. And there are beaches. There's lots of nature. The most beautiful water in the country. And mountains, a lot of mountains. But that's my impression of this town so far. Yeah, we'll see. It might change tomorrow. But we're only here for one night. And we go to dinner after this, and then tomorrow we go to a different place. Hopefully the weather cooperates. Half of the time the weather forecast calls for rain, but on a recent trip to Osaka and Kyoto, weather really cooperated and it changed for the better. So crossing my fingers, same thing happens on this one. All right, we've been walking for about 10-15 minutes on this major road. I think we're almost there. I hope so. There's a bus stop here, so they do have public transportation. This is the bus schedule, so
It comes quite often.
it comes often.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's more than I imagined.
Really, the last bus leaves at 7:51 p.m. But the morning, there's like 7 buses in the morning. Sorry, 7 buses at 7, between 7 and 8. That is quite often, isn't it?
Quite often.
Especially for a town like this. Yeah. Satoshi, would you say like this street here we're walking on, is this like the main street?
I think it used to.
It used to be. Okay, because I do notice like hair salons, like restaurants, like this is a sushi restaurant. I notice all kind of shops on either side of the street. Not like many shops, but it kind of looks like a main street.
There is a factory.
There's a factory. Is that where the smell comes from? I smell something. I got to point out is the color of the tiles. You know, we went to that museum, right? Well, you notice they use the same colored tiles in many of the structures here in this town. You see the same colored tile here? Even if you look down this street here. Here, let me zoom up for you. You see? This colored tile, what color would you say this is? This is the local tiles that they make with using the local dirt, and that's the natural color of the dirt, I believe. Here's train tracks again. I just can't get over like all the nature around the train tracks. I think we're almost there. See, even these houses here, these regular houses, the color of the tires is that orange color. That house too. If you've seen our video of Iwami Ginsan that we made over on Tabi Eats, we do film from on top of a hill and overlooking the entire village or town, and you'll notice the same colored roof throughout the entire village. So we are crossing a river. It's another pretty big river, I gotta say.
This is the 3rd time we cross.
This is the 3rd time we're crossing this river. Really?
Yeah.
But
Over there, it's one time.
okay. Once again, guys, the water is incredibly clear. Wow, I've never seen such clear water like in a river. It's amazing. You're probably wondering, where are you guys going? Well, Satoshi wants to go get some beer. There's a brewery across this river and that's the reason we're going. We're walking all this way just for beer, but that's okay. 楽しみですか? Looking forward to it? You're so happy. So different from this morning when you had a headache and you were saying, I didn't want to go. Too tired. Oh, look how beautiful this view is. Isn't it beautiful? Kirei.
That is the shrine we went this morning.
Oh, that's the shrine?
Yes.
Really? That's the shrine we went to. Oh. So we just crossed over the river, and I gotta say, the atmosphere suddenly has become a lot more quieter and also a little more charming. We're trying to keep an eye out on a restaurant for tonight. So the brewery is supposed to be somewhere around here. We drove through this street this morning to get to the shrine, which is right in front of us. Is this it? Oh my god, it's amazing! Takatsugawa River Beer, and they're open. Oh, okay, I approve. Totally approve.
Very interesting. I can't imagine what's that.
I know. I'm looking at the menu right now. They have a bastard ale. Japanese Weizen. Oh no, I don't know what I want.
ちは。
大丈夫ですよ。はい、どうぞ。
Cheers. Cheers. Tagosaku. So this is where we're going to be having dinner tonight. Our sashimi platter is here. This is sashimi for 2 people. Wow. It's pretty impressive.
I probably did. I never remember the names of my fish.